So we're here at Castle Combe on my first track day.
These lips. These lips.
So I arrived here at 7 a.m. in the morning, an early start.
Yes,
Did
indeed.
my little sign in, met you guys.
Yep.
You were so welcoming. Thank you
Good.
so much, because I probably
No problem.
arrived and was
Yep.
very nervous. Then we went to do the noise test
Yep.
to, you know, because
That's right.
neighbours. And then we did a little briefing. And then after the briefing, we went out on our first track experience. And that's a little bit different, isn't it?
Yes, it is. For new to track riders, we tend to do a separate briefing for those riders. It tends to be a little bit longer, so they have to listen to my dulcet tones. Try and put them at ease before they go out on track, because we're talking about new to track riders who've never ridden on a racetrack before, and that can be
Very, yeah.
quite daunting. What we do is we go through what's going to happen in the session, and we effectively take those riders in a group on their own. So there's a group of up to 12 riders in that session. Castle Combe, as Gemma's mentioned, is very stringent with noise, and we're limited to running 12 riders on a circuit at any one time. It was 12 riders in the group, and
Yeah.
probably you found there was lots of space when you were out on track. You know, you didn't feel too intimidated by the fact that, you know, there's loads of riders around you, because there isn't, because
No.
it's a 2-mile circuit. There's plenty of room.
Yeah.
The other thing that we do is, when we first take you out on track, is we do 3 sighting laps.
Yeah.
So it's very controlled. There's an instructor at the front, there's an instructor in the middle, and there's an instructor at the back. So you're all very controlled, and hopefully you felt that everything was
It was great.
okay.
It was okay. It was great. The only thing is I was at the front.
Yes. And you did very well.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So then we came back, and do you know what? You guys are so approachable, and you come over and you go, because some people out there go, oh, I don't know if I want to ask if we could do a one-to-one. But do it, and you come out and go, how do you feel?
Yeah.
And I was like, actually, I'd like my one-to-one, so please, can you? And I followed you. I think it was two
We did 2 sessions together.
2 sessions
And
together.
you followed me for 3 laps, and then I left you in front of me, and I was having a look and see what you were doing. We had a chat afterwards, and then we did another session, and I just let you. I did just 2 laps in front of you, and I thought, let's follow you for a longer.
Oh, it's been brilliant.
And I could see the difference. You know, Gemma's made a huge change from when you first started to now.
Thank you.
You're going much quicker. You seem much more confident, and I'm sure that confidence will grow this afternoon as well.
It absolutely will. Ian, I can't thank you enough. You put a massive smile on my
Good.
face. I just love it.
And that's what track days are all about.
Absolutely.
When it's one of them days, everything go your way and your soundtrack plays like. When the good time stays and it's not just a phase, you can feel the level raise like. When the sun rays break the haze and the light just blaze and it tastes like. All I'm trying to say is, man, I feel good to feel good. I mean real good. Fresh flavors on my breakfast plate, even fresher when I'm pressing play. It clear the stress away. Nothing left to say, just gratitude. Glad I'm that dude today. Happen to happen too. Bad moods like faraway countries. Everything that I do gon' be funky. From now on, the cloud's gone. My style's strong, no dial tones. Cause there's no hang-ups, no handcuffs. I'm playing stuff.
So that's it. That's my day over and done with. And boy, have I had an absolutely fabulous time. Well, not only have I learned more skills in here, I can now use them on the road. I mean, out there it'll be more slower, so I feel safer. I know the bike more. I can't put into words how amazing this session was. Throughout the day that I've progressed more, the guys have been so helpful. So where else have you got to go? Well, it's not bikerheadz.co.uk, it's Castle Combe.
Good to feel good, I mean real good. Take a deep breath, let it circulate till your thoughts get to percolate, stretch your vertebrae. Make sure to stay fly like a bird of prey, got a curse to break.